Hi Eli, sorry I've been working away for the last week. I'm actually working out of my camper now for the next month or so. But with your Beko WTIK74151F, this washing machine has got an induction motor. Now you were asking whether to change the carbon brushes. There is no carbon brushes in these motors, but they do have a control card that controls the motor. Now, I've made a specific page for you with regards this, which the link is in the description below. These motors are controlled with these cards, and sometimes, if you're very, very lucky, you can end up with what you call a dry joint on the card. For some unknown reason, either the load going through the actual circuit board card is causing a problem and creates a bad contact. But if you look at the page I created, I put a link to another article I wrote for someone else, but I took some pictures of their circuit board, and you will see the contacts that are actually burnt on the board. Now, not only on this page will you have the link to that, you will also have the full workshop manual for testing the motor and any other components on the machine as well. And there's also the wiring diagram to assist you. I'm sorry I can't actually show you any of these components because I'm not in the workshop, but if you follow the link in the description, and there's also a piece at the end of this video which will explain how to use the page, because I've also uploaded a load of videos for you to that page to assist you in your repair as well. I have created you an FAQ page specifically with all the wiring diagrams, workshop manual that includes error codes, diagnostic procedure, and explaining every component, but there's also videos on the page to assist you. If you or anyone else needs help with their Beko washing machine, fill out the contact us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. We don't just make videos on washing machines. We do cookers, dishwashers, tumble dryers, fridge freezers, and many other types of appliance. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.